Welcome to this Geneious Biologics tutorial video on antibody annotation. You can use the Annotator tool to annotate regions of interest, identify and annotate germline gene differences and liabilities on your sequences, as well as cluster sequences based on sequence similarity. To annotate, select the sequences you want to annotate, then choose Antibody Annotator from the Annotate drop-down menu. Pick the appropriate reference database and the type of sequences you're annotating. Geneious Biologics can annotate a variety of antibody sequence types, from both chains and associated sequences to scFVs and FABs. If you use name schemes to extract metadata from Sanger sequence file names, the Annotator tool will automatically pair heavy and light chains here. This menu allows you to choose what you'd like to annotate on your sequences, including germline gene differences, the preferred numbering system, protein statistics, and a variety of different liabilities. These liabilities can also be edited or expanded upon by the user to tailor to your needs. This menu allows you to define clusters. These clusters group together sequences that have 100% identical amino acid sequences at these regions. You can make custom clusters from this tab. For example, let's define a cluster as identical at the V gene and J gene, but with 85% similarity at CDR3. The standard definition of a clonotype. When we run our annotation, the resulting annotation document has summary information in the description column. Here, you'll see the sequence table. If you select a sequence, you'll see it here in the sequence viewer. If we zoom in, we can hover over the annotation for more information. You can see a germline difference here, a glycosylation liability here, etc. You can toggle annotations using the menu on the right here. For more information about Geneious Biologics, visit geneious.com/biologics.